Right guys, right behind me we have the beautiful Mercedes Sprinter 519 CDI progressive specification on a 2022 registration with only 9,000 miles on. We all know what this van's all about. It's a Mercedes Sprinter that's been converted to be a car transporter. It could be a house removal business, whatever it might be. If you're in the market for something like this, well, this is amazing. It's got 9,000 miles. There's no VAT to pay, so the price that you see on the screen is the price that you pay. But look at all this space. How can you fill this space? What form of business do you have? Is it going to be an additional or will it be a new venture altogether? Well, it's got everything from the strip LED lighting system, the foam pads on the front, the mirror reflection, the grip studs here. You've got side hatches here, side hatches there, and this door fully swings open. Even the actual rear door, it's on hydraulics. It has a soft opening approach when you unhatch it. It's brilliant. If you are looking at one of these, you'll notice that most of them are 516 CDIs and not the 519. It makes a difference. Do your research, you'll see what I mean. And they're so much more desirable. 2-litre diesel engine, automatic gearbox, and being the specification that it is, it has everything from leather interior, the MBUX navigation system, all the service lighting. It's a twin twilly there, as you can see. And as I mentioned, it's very easy to use. Everything just locks on and locks off. Even the side hatches as well. Opens up and closes. But it's the condition of it. Now, if you're going to use it for your business, you want to be buying it in the right form. You can see there's absolutely no damage on the car. And if you just picture it for a second with your business logo on there, whatever it might be, how good would this addition be? As you open the door, the first thing you realise is how quiet that engine is. It's a very good, reliable, durable engine. But then being a Mercedes Sprinter, they really have put some nice luxuries in here. It feels like you're in a nice top-end Mercedes still because you have the 3-spoke steering wheel, multifunctional with a speed limiter and the cruise control, stereo controls. There's the MBUX navigation system with air conditioning and climate control. You have 2 keys, all the book packs and manuals, nice soft leather interior with all the adjustments so you can go up and down and recline correctly. Paddle shift in a van. This is not just a van, this is something you can spend hours and hours in, or one of your staff members will spend hours and hours in, making money for you. This is a great investment. We sell a lot of fancy cars here. But every so often, someone who buys a car like this, a van like this, it'll pay for itself in no time because it's a business on wheels. It also has the digital tachograph already up there, ready to use, so you don't have to mess about. But it's the leather. I've seen some that have done 45, 50,000 miles and they look a bit rough, a bit tired, ripped leather, scratches and scuff. This one's got 9,000 miles. It's absolutely amazing, and I just think, how else can you, if you were to buy a standard one and then convert it, it's a no-brainer. You'd cost you thousands upon thousands. So this is, for me, incredible. Round the side you have the tyre chucks there, which means you can keep it into place. You then have the extra ramps which tuck away nice and neatly in here, so you're not using it, it's out of place. But this is it, it's going live now. I meant what I said. Every time I've had one, I've probably had 12, 15 and we saw them straight away. This one's going to sell slightly quicker for the simple reason it's got no VAT on it, but it's still a commercial vehicle. So it goes for the business and you do what you have to do. Speak to your accountant. But it's a no-brainer, it really is. Low mileage, right specification, the 519. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.